to question number 2. Here is a statement. A metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. 3 metallic spheres are there, okay, 1, 2 and 3, and these are melted and again one big sphere is formed. Okay, now let us explain this with an example. Suppose you have 3 chocolates and these you melted, and after that you again formed a bigger chocolate using these 3. You have melted and then you formed a bigger chocolate. Now you want to find what is the radius of this big chocolate. Same way here, you are given 3 spheres and you have melted these spheres, and after that a bigger sphere you have formed, and you have to find that what is the radius for that big sphere. Okay, you are given the radius for these spheres. Radii for this are, for first it is 6 centimeters, for second it is 8, and for third it is 10. Now you have to find what is the radius for big sphere. I am writing the radius for big sphere as capital R. Now as you are using the volume of these 3 and you are making a new sphere, this volume of this new sphere will be having the volume of all these spheres together. That means the volume of these 3 spheres is added here in the bigger sphere. So volume of first sphere, second sphere plus third sphere will be equal to volume of bigger sphere. Okay, so let us write down volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3. 3 spheres you have taken and their together volume, the volume of all these spheres together will be the volume of big sphere. Okay, so you are using here the volume of first sphere, second sphere, third sphere, and that will make the volume for the bigger sphere, as the amount of the metal here is not lost. You have used the whole metal that was there in the 3 spheres. The whole metal is used here to make the bigger sphere. So let us write the formulas for 3. As you know, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For second also it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For third also it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And for the bigger sphere again it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here I will be taking r capital, and for the first sphere I am writing r1. For the second sphere I am writing radius as r2, and for the third sphere I am writing radius as r3. Okay, first sphere is having r1 because all the radii are different here. R1 for the first, r2 for the second, r3 for the third, and for the capital I am writing capital R. Now I can take 4 by 3 from all these 3 out. I can take pi also out. So what is left in between? In between there is r1 cube, r2 cube and r3 cube. Here it is left, and on the other side 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Now on both the sides we have 4 by 3. We can cancel. We have pi in common, so we can also cancel. So we are left with r1 cube, r2 cube and r3 cube. r1 cube, r2 cube, r3 cube. Here we have mentioned r1, r2, r3 as the 3 radii are different for the different spheres, and it is capital R cube. Now what is r1 for the first? It is 6 cube. For the r2 it is 8 cube, and for the third it is 10 cube. That will form bigger R cube. Now let us find the cubes of this. For 6 it is 216, for 8 it is 512, and for 10 cube it is 1000, and that will form capital R cube. Now we can add this and we get 1728 as capital R cube, and you can write, as you need to cancel this cube, so we will write 1728 also is in cubes, and that is the cube for 12. So now I can cancel these 2 cubes and I am left with 12 as capital R. So what I have got, that radius for the capital sphere is 12 centimeters. So this is your question. Here we have 3 different spheres. These all are having different sizes. So these are having different radii also. And we have taken all these spheres, melted these spheres, and we have formed a bigger sphere. As we are using the same volume of 1, 2 and 3, all these volumes are added here to make a big sphere. So I am adding the volume of 1 sphere, 2 sphere, 3 sphere, and I am writing it equal to volume of big sphere, as all these volumes are combined here in the bigger sphere. So I have taken 3 formulas and I have written R1, R2, R3 for differentiating that these 3 spheres are different, and here I am writing capital R to represent the bigger sphere, radius for bigger sphere. Then I have taken 4/3 pi cancel common, and then I have cancelled it out. Then I have put the value for R1, R2 and R3. Then I have taken their cubes, and on adding I got that 1728 is the cube for 12. So I have got that radius for the bigger sphere is 12. Thank you.